your off-road equipment works longer and harder than ever before. To avoid downtime and costly repairs, use Maxtron THF Plus, a premium synthetic tractor hydraulic fluid. It delivers maximum protection and pump efficiency, as well as superior all-weather performance. As a specialized lubricant, Maxtron THF Plus is designed to deliver benefits that go beyond the unproven lubricants: instant performance, wet brake control, proven part protection, power under load, and sludge fighting. Eliminate additional stress on your tractor by using a lubricant that helps it perform instantly. Failure to use a high-performance lubricant can lead to loss of hydraulic power, breakage or failure of parts, or increased downtime. Benefit from all-season performance that delivers immediate flow of lubricants to cover and protect parts in cold temperatures. Strong chemistry that provides instant protection of parts in warmer temperatures. And confidence in equipment to remain reliable and meet everyday demands. Maintaining a healthy braking system is critical to sustainable farm production and operational safety. Accurate steering and stopping, braking under load, and ensured operational safety. If not properly maintained with a high-performance lubricant, it can lead to brake chatter, poor brake performance, or brake failure. To help meet the demands on the brakes of today's tractors, Maxtron THF Plus is specially formulated with friction modifiers to prevent brake issues and maintain productivity. But part protection doesn't stop there. Using a proper lubricant is essential to the protection of transmission, axle, and hydraulic systems. Failure to use a certified and tested lubricant can lead to hydraulic pump failure, water contamination, or pitting or the breaking off of gears. Secure the sustainability of tractor parts with Maxtron THF Plus, formulated with corrosion inhibitors, anti-foam, seal swell agents, and emulsifiers. It is proven to properly lubricate all system parts, as well as prevent metal-on-metal contact, the overheating and failure of hydraulic pumps, and the buildup of water particles. Proper tractor maintenance is essential to getting the most out of your advanced hardware. Protect your investment with Maxtron THF Plus and experience the peace of mind you deserve.